Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back. Yes, I'm back for an update and with a Red Day recap. So today I had a Red Day with NIO. I had no idea where it's gonna go. I was just it's I'm gonna stop trading for Red Day. It's fine. I'm gonna accept the loss and move on. Go on the next day. I should it's I think NIO is gonna break all time high maybe. I don't trust what I say. Anyway, so it's been a while. I haven't been making any recaps because we have goals in life, and sometimes it's it's hard to commit to make recaps every day. It's hard because especially I've worked, and it gets tiring at some point. Like I've been making recaps for more than a year now. It's it's been it's been tough. So so it takes a lot of time and dedication and commitment to make a recap every day. So I felt like when I was making it every day, I felt like I feel tired. I feel tired making recaps every day. I don't like, even though I have people watching my recaps, but like it affects me when I'm tired. It affects my decisions when I'm trading. I can't trade properly because people would judge me how I enter and exit. Those kind of things. Like, so I was thinking of pausing making daily recaps and maybe just show good recaps or good trades or bad trades that I learned, something that is educational, not like just making recaps every day. And sometimes my trades are not that great. So I want to make a better content, not just making a daily recap with random trades or whatever. So I want to focus on myself, on my strategy. I want to write down all my strength and my weaknesses, and pinpoint where I'm good at, what I'm bad at, and those kind of things. I need to kind of like rebrand or you know re restart, like like how I trade. It's not like just trading the open, because most of the time I'm just trading the open, right? So it's it's really hard for me to not to get FOMO, because I'm always FOMO, because I need to make one good 1 minute orb, because that's what everyone's waiting for, right? That's my expertise. Like, most of the times I'm FOMO because I just need to get in a trade and get a good trade. But the thing is, sometimes now when I'm like, over time, since I've kind of known to trade the 1 minute orb, and now everyone's expecting that I should be trading 1 minute orb. And now I always have FOMO and just getting in randomly because I need to make a 1 minute orb. So that's what I'm feeling right now. So um like, one day I did not trade 1 minute orb, and someone asked me, "Oh, how come you did not trade 1 minute orb?" Like, come on. I'm not a robot. I don't Sometimes I miss things. It's just funny, right? Like I have creepy followers as well. Oh my god, I have creepy followers. I have rude followers. I've like, most of my followers are nice. Everyone, like, look, like, everyone, like, whoever's like, I can't remember his name. I think it was Jason or something, or like, I have really nice followers who are very thankful when I'm posting my trades, recaps, and everything. But like, in my 10, let's say my 10 followers, I have one or two that are just jackass, and and it ruins my it ruins my day. And like, the next day I'm gonna, like, it's hard when you're in social media. There's like, everyone's just have the freedom to say what they want, right? They're probably called keyboard warriors or something. And it's a fun journey making recaps every day. But the thing is, sometimes I end up not knowing what I want now, because I just need to make a trade every day. So now what my goal is: trade the first hour. So okay, this is my plan. NIO is getting crazy right now. So this is my plan. I'm gonna trade from 9:30 to 10:30. That's my stop. Like today, what I did here. Like, I have a red day, but I'm gonna stop after 9:30. I'm just gonna trade 1 hour a day. I'm still gonna trade 1 minute orb, like what I did here. I'm gonna trade 1 minute orb. If I need to be aggressive, since a momentum trade, I will be aggressive. But still, I have to be careful. And if 1 minute orbs doesn't work, sometimes 1 minute orb doesn't work, right? And sometimes after 1 minute orbs, the whole thing happens like this. Whole thing happens, right? So I'm gonna learn what are my strengths, write it down, and slowly trade. Have good trades. So what else? I will refine my watch list to myself, which one I should be trading and which one will move as expected. So today I had an idea that 50-50 will be a good risk, but like when the market opens, you don't really know what you're doing anymore sometimes, like me. So that's the plan. And if I have a really good trade, then I'll make a recap. Or if I did a really bad trade, then I'll make a recap, right? So maybe let's look at the previous trades that I did. One sec. Yeah, so I can't remember if this is Friday or Thursday. I really can't remember. I think so. This is Thursday. Yeah. So look at my Thursday trade, right? So I'm in 50% of my position here. Took profit. I was actually going to add if it holds this around 45 area. I was going to add in there and then go for a continuation, but it did not work. I left a lot of shares in here because this was probably a 50-cent move. Yeah, I was risking high of this candle here. 50-cent move is pretty good. And then yeah, I stopped out. See, I followed my rule. That was good. So that's 1 minute orb. That's a good example. And after 1 minute orb, what we're gonna do now is wait and see what's happening, right? If it's gonna break high of day. So that's what I did here. I took it long. What's this? 25% position. Took it long again. Slowly. Every pullback, I was just taking long and then wait for a 46 break. And look what happened in there. And then I re-entered. So I think I was all out here. I can't remember what I did here. There's a red candle here. Probably I go all in, maybe stopped out, and maybe took long again, added. I think maybe this is probably just half size because there's only 2 candles in there. And look at that. So I made my day here. And I think I paused a bit. Should I trade more or no? But I still did, right? And there you go. That was really good trade. This is the kind of trade I want to show you. Like clean, not like this. Copy, right? Like messy. Not like that. But I was trying it here. It didn't work. So that's the kind of trade I want. Next is this. Is it that one? Yes, so it's this one. So my mistake here was I took it long at pre-market, but good thing I got the move that I want. I was risking 50 cents. So here I was already green at pre-market. So I was all out here. And then traded 1 minute orb here. There you go. You see a lot of partials in there. So that's 1 minute orb. And then took it short, small partials. Took it short. It's bad. I should have waited for here to take it short, and look at the move. Right? I even added here. There you go. I even took it short again and then caught the whole move. So this is the kind of trade that I was looking for. The kind of trade that I want. Like A+. So like to me, when I'm trading, I have FOMO because I need to make a 1 minute orb. I always have FOMO. I need to show to my followers that I need a good trade. That's what I'm feeling every day. So sometimes I just make random trades, because of FOMO, and I just, want to ride it and blah, blah, blah. And sometimes I don't know why I took the trade. Right? So that's the plan now. What else? So, oh yeah, this one is really good short. I made a good amount of money in here as well. Took it short here. Yeah, this is probably just half size, not a full size. Imagine if I took full size in here. He was getting in partials in there. Took profit, partial, and then short again. Whole moves, kept shorting and shorting here. Really, really good profit. Left. What's this? Oh yeah, this was one of my best days. This was really, really choppy, really, really choppy. And someone asked, I don't know, I have no idea what you were doing. Yeah, I also have no idea, but I made the money here. I have the risk. I have more risk that I can play around. I was getting in smaller shares at random areas. Yeah, it was messy. It was messy, but whatever. And look at the what's this? The P&L compared to realized. The commissions are not that much. So I want to make a day like that every day. Like here, this is the day I want. This is the day I want. I made a really, really good amount in here. So this are the trades that I want to make every day. Not like this, right? I mean, I had to check why this happened. I have to think why this happened. I have to think why it did not. Why I want to see why it just chopped around at the first few hours, at the first hour. And yeah, looking at pre-market volumes, and probably because it didn't move because there's a lot of gappers today. And NIO, I don't think NIO was in the gappers list as well. But XPEV did the better move. XPEV did a better move. Made about $7 today from the open. That's crazy, right? So this is the things I want to trade. These are the things that I want to show every day. This kind of moves, but I have to refine on how I pick stocks, and what else? Yeah, so I just want to say I probably won't be showing a daily recap. I need to practice, train, and write all my strength and my weaknesses, kind of like a like a playbook on how I trade, and see how it goes until end of the year maybe, and we'll go for a better version next year. But I will still update on my journey, maybe once a week or something. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it looks. Right? Cool. What else? Yeah, I got nothing else to say actually. So I will still be active in Twitter and maybe Instagram stories, but I will not be posting my daily trades on Twitter and Instagram. I will not be posting my daily trades, but maybe sometimes. Right? And if you have any questions, I just want to be better. That's the goal. I just want to be better. I know how to trade already. I just want to be a better trader, and I don't want to show a bad example because sometimes I want to show a clear trade. I'm just blabbering right now. I don't know what else to say, so I'm gonna head out. And you guys have a good day. It's Thanksgiving in the U.S., so advance happy Thanksgiving to my U.S. followers, American followers, or whoever celebrates Thanksgiving. And yeah, have a good day, everyone. Cheers.